In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a domain in your GoDaddy account in just a few simple steps. Let's get started and make the process as easy as possible for you. First, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and head over to GoDaddy. You can do this by searching GoDaddy on Google, and it should be one of the first results that appear. Give it a click, and you'll be taken straight to their homepage. Once you're on the GoDaddy homepage, you'll see a Sign In option at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on this button. Now you have a few choices to sign in. You can use your email address, or you might prefer to log in with Facebook or Google if that's more convenient for you. Choose the method that you typically use. If you opt for email, it's time to enter your email address and password into the respective fields. If you're using Facebook or Google, simply follow the prompts to continue with those accounts. After you've entered your credentials, you'll want to click on the Continue button to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, bursting with options and information. But your focus should be on the search bar. This is where you'll type in the domain name you're interested in purchasing. It can be anything you desire, as long as it's available. Once you've typed in your desired domain name, look for the search icon next to the bar and click on it. The system will now check the availability of your chosen domain name and display the results for you, along with the pricing information. Take your time, scroll down the list, and review the options. If your first choice is taken, GoDaddy will provide a list of alternative options that are similar to your original entry. Once you find a domain that suits your needs and is within your budget, click on the Add to Cart button. Now, follow the prompts to complete the domain registration process. GoDaddy will guide you through a straightforward series of steps to ensure your domain is registered under your name. This usually includes confirming any additional features you might want, like domain privacy, and then proceeding to the payment screen. During the payment process, make sure all your details are correct and enter your payment information. Once everything is confirmed, submit your payment and you'll receive a confirmation that your domain registration was successful. And there you have it. You have successfully created a domain within your GoDaddy account. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it made the process smooth and hassle-free. Thank you for watching, and happy domain creating.